What's your name? And
I'm Maya. Nice to meet you.
I'm Tarun.
I will just go with a simple question. Do you know what is PCOS?
I am. I'm familiar, yes. Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure of that. Yeah.
Okay, do you know what are the symptoms of this PCOS?
Yes, I used to have PCOD, so I'm familiar, yes.
Can you say some of the symptoms?
Sure. So usually when you get your periods, basically there are cysts inside your ovary. So that hinders the passage of the ovules while coming out. Due to which, when you have your periods, your stomach usually hurts a lot. The cramps are intensified. You have vomiting, you have puking, you have all kinds of things going on during that time. And your periods are delayed. They're usually very delayed. And there are other issues on those.
Are you aware about the pimples and acne, overweight? Yeah. Okay. I was about to explain you, but you have a great knowledge about PCOS. Yeah. Thank you. If you're any of your friends or you have any problem, a severe problem about PCOS, you can visit the Threos PCOS Clinic, which is specialized only for PCOS, which is at Kattupakam and Mangadu near the Porur.
Okay. Threos PCOS
Threos PCOS
Clinic visit
Clinic.
Panika.